Kambi noero maloso matha mar Senator Kege pacho kaindi ekoro Ochiwo Mich mopogore ne Joloch piem noero mar shikisha form na Senator kuma bende Mich maloyo $80,000,000 ichiwo ne Joloch mopogore pacho kaindi mangima ka Mich maromo $1,000,000 to kambi noero yango ni ibiro tigodo timo projects mopogore kor gwenge mapachuka.
Usige kuva roho jubila walikuja nikazidi kuwa na imani katika hiyo nyumba, nikazidi kuwa na imani na ndio hiyo siku asubuhi niwija hata siku anajua ndakuja nikaomba huko give me a love. Sasa hata Mungu alisikia maombi yangu wakakuja na nimefurahi, hata wale wanazidi kufurahi. Mungu asidi kubariki Senator, Mungu asidi kubariki kikundi yote. Wasiji kuwasaidia wale wajibesi. Mungu awabariki, asanteni.
And for us as a business, Senator is a significant volume for us and enables us as a business to thrive and grow. So Senator has a significant impact across the value chain in Kenya. And this promotion is really about giving back to our consumers and to our bar owners. The promotion will entail KBL spending 80 million Kenya shillings. Five winners will win 2 million each, 1 million of which will go to serve the community. So they will have 1 million in their pocket and another 1 million where they'll identify a community project and they will go and embark on that project in their community. And then we'll have a myriad of winners who will win either scratch cards or airtime or makeovers for their facilities. But also, as we said, a number of bar owners will also have makeovers of their facilities so that as their consumers go to those facilities, they're having an uplifted experience. So we're delighted again that we are coming back with this new promotion for Senator Reloaded. Last year was a great success and we hope to build on that success this year. As I said, Senator's role is to ensure that we have a dignified community, allowing the men and women who would like to have a drink to have a quality beer, and therefore avoid the dangers and hazards of illicit beer or illicit alcohol that sometimes are poisonous and hazardous. So that's a big role the Senator plays. This promotion, as we've seen from the videos you've seen today, enables the winners to impact the community. And as brand Senator, we are also chipping into those activities. So not only Senator alone, but KBL as an entity, we have a civil responsibility in society to uplift the lives of community in Kenya. And we do that quite a bit with our foundation, and we do that through many other brands at KBL as well. So it's not only Senator, but as a business, we are committed to uplifting community where we thrive and work.
The year 2022, we are here at Thika, launching the Shikisha form na Senator Keg Reloaded. And ladies and gentlemen, on 1, 2, 3, it is officially launched! DJ,